Today in AI, April 13th, 2026. Here are 17 stories worth your attention. Sam Altman's home attacked twice in 48 hours. 2 suspects arrested. 48 hours after a firebomb attack on the OpenAI CEO's San Francisco home on April 10th, his residence was targeted again on April 12th. 2 suspects have been arrested. The first suspect carried a manifesto listing addresses of multiple AI executives. The FBI has launched an investigation. Altman posted a plea for the industry to dial down adversarial rhetoric. 2 attacks in 48 hours, escalating from isolated incident to pattern of threat. Suspects acted from anti-AI stance, exposing rising public hostility toward the AI industry. HuggingFace weekly trending, Vox CPM2 and Gemma 4 on rise. Chinese models take 3 of top spots. This week's HuggingFace model chart leaders: GLM 5.1, 1,135 likes, OpenBMB Vox CPM2, 810 likes, text-to-speech, and Google Gemma 4-31V, it, 1,830 likes, image text-to-text. Chinese models occupy 3 of the top 5 spots. Cursor 3.0 exposed running A/B test Reskinning Claude Code Core Framework. Reverse engineering by developers reveals Cursor 3.0 runs a local replacement engine that swaps Claude for Cursor in system prompts. The install package ships Anthropic's official agent SDK and connects to a Claude 3.7 model custom-tuned for Cursor. Cursor team members responded that this is a standard A/B performance test affecting less than 1% of traffic. Reverse engineering shows Cursor 3.0 embeds Anthropic's agent SDK with simple brand name substitution. Cursor says the test compares their default framework against Claude's official framework on a small subset. Claude Code releases v2.1.104 for versions in 3 days, signal rapid iteration. Claude Code shipped v2.1.10010 in rapid succession. Cat Wu highlighted that this round dramatically simplified Bedrock/Vertex configuration flows, lowering enterprise onboarding friction. The v2.1.10010 pace, 04-10 to 04-13, signals intensive user feedback response. v2.1.100, 04-10, v2.1.101, 04-10, v2.1.104, 04-13. Bedrock/Vertex setup simplification. Superconductor, Rust native multi-agent aggregator, run Claude Code/Codex/Gemini CLI in one interface. New macOS native agent aggregation app Superconductor launches with pure Rust plus Metal GPU accelerated terminal rendering, less than 50 milliseconds startup. Supports running multiple coding agents simultaneously in a single UI. Pure Rust plus Metal GPU, less than 50 milliseconds startup, minimal memory footprint. Single pane management of Claude Code/Codex/Gemini CLI. Ollama version 0.20.6, enhanced Gemma 4 tool calling and parallel tool call streaming. Ollama version 0.20.6 improves Gemma 4 tool calling capability, applies Google's latest fix, and optimizes parallel tool calling in streamed responses. Ships new Hermes agent integration guide. Tool calling post-launch fixes. Improved parallel tool calling in streamed responses. Codeg version 0.7.0, open-source multi-agent IDE with Feishu/WeChat remote control. Open-source multi-agent IDE Codeg updates to version 0.7.0, adding expert skills management and IM channels. Supports integrating Claude and Gemini models in the same workspace. Adds Feishu/WeChat remote task control. Replit announces global deployment. New regions in Europe, Asia, South America, Australia. Replit paid users can now deploy applications globally with co-locate compute and storage. Enterprise teams can enforce organization-level regional policies. Anthropic Security Team, 7 defense priorities for the AI-accelerated offense era. Anthropic's security team publishes comprehensive guidance warning that numerous multi-year undiscovered code bugs will be found by AI models over the next 24 months. Urges organizations to urgently close patch gaps, scan legacy codebases, and design intrusion-resistant architectures. AI attack defense asymmetry will dramatically shift within 24 months. Defenders must seize the AI advantage first. Patching, vulnerability reporting workflows, pre-deployment scanning, legacy scanning, intrusion-resistant design, attack surface reduction, incident response compression. Bindu Reddy, Major model releases clustered next week. Elephant Alpha 100B surfaces. Abacus AI CEO previews multiple LLM launches next week. Mystery model Elephant Alpha 100B instant model has appeared under the radar. Reddy predicts truly innovative work will be built by solo founders and small teams. Dense model release window coming next week. Elephant Alpha emerging in stealth mode. SWX. Devin usage doubles. Agent recursion emerges as new pattern. SWX reveals Cognition's global usage nearly doubled following 2 recent feature releases. Users discovered creative use cases when agents can compose with each other and trigger autonomously. He notes, agent recursion is all you need? Devin usage nearly doubled after 2 feature releases. Agent composability plus autonomous triggering is the key to usage explosion. Building agents at home, homeschooling, parenting, and more. The A16Z show. Founder Jessie Jennett shares hands-on experience managing 11 AI agents while raising 4 children and homeschooling. The conversation dives deep into how agents are actually deployed in household and work settings. How non-technical founders deploy AI agents systematically into daily operations. Jessie Jennett, serial entrepreneur, approaching agents as a user rather than an engineer. Hard truths about building in the AI era. Keith Rabois. PayPal Mafia veteran and former Square COO Keith Rabois discusses the harsh realities of startup and product building in the AI era, covering product strategy, team building, and AI's impact on traditional software companies. Sharp, unsparing perspective. Counterintuitive truths about startup and product building in the AI era. Keith Rabois, veteran investor and exec, Silicon Valley old-timer lens. It's crunch time. Ajeya Cotra on RSI and AI-powered AI safety work. Ajeya Cotra, former Anthropic researcher, and 80,000 Hours Rob Wiblin have an in-depth conversation on AI timelines, recursive self-improvement, RSI, and how the crucial window shapes AI safety research priorities today. Extremely dense information. AI timelines plus recursive self-improvement plus AI safety research priorities in an accelerating era. Ajeya Cotra, former Anthropic researcher, known for quantitative forecasting frameworks. Anthropic's $30 billion ramp, Mythos Doomsday, OpenClaw ankled. This episode of All In covers Anthropic's controversial decision to block Mythos release on safety grounds, the OpenAI Anthropic open source competition dynamics, and the $30 billion ARR milestone. Brad Gerstner joins the discussion. Anthropic's Mythos safety controversy plus AI company competitive landscape. Jason Calacanis, David Sachs, Brad Gerstner, investor/founder lens. Builders Unscripted EP2, Ashe Magalhaes, founder of Hearth AI. OpenAI's Developer Series Episode 2 features Hearth AI founder sharing hands-on experience building a home care AI product with OpenAI's API. Building vertical AI products using OpenAI API, Startup Playbook. Ashe Magalhaes, early-stage founder lens. 11 Labs, building an AI sales machine. 11 Labs VP Sales walks through building the sales engine from 0 to $330 million ARR, focusing on 20x quota targets. Light on AI content, heavy on sales operations. 11 Labs VP Sales walks through building the sales engine from 0 to $330 million ARR, focusing on 20x quota targets. Light on AI content, heavy on sales operations. That's all for today's AI brief. See you tomorrow.